Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna be working on abs and arms. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. You're gonna need to grab a pair of dumbbells and your yoga mat. Go ahead and get your gear. Before we get started, don't forget the November calendar is available in the description box down below. Don't forget to grab it. Let's get started. Okay, so ankle tap push-ups is our first exercise. My yoga mat is literally sliding all over the floor, so we're gonna go without it. Hopefully my feet are better than the yoga mat. So starting here, in the push-up position, we're gonna come into this neutral position, back to the ankles, forward, back to the ankles here. Keep your core nice and tight. We're gonna do 3 sets of 20. Let's get started. Bring your yoga mat back in and grab your dumbbells. For this next exercise, while you're taking a break, we're gonna be laying flat on our back for some chest presses. So with the arms, let's show you that first. We're doing a chest press, just like this. With the legs, we're gonna hold here. So boom, just like this. Core is nice and tight. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. So arms are up, be careful. Get your dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, use some water bottles, and let's get started. Holding your legs out for the entire time. Flex.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit. that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Good job. Good job. 10-second break. Last set, you guys. Good job. Give yourself a 20-second break for our last exercise here. All right, guys, for our last exercise, we're gonna be doing plank up and downs. This is the motion. Plank position, down and up. Keep your back nice and straight, core flexed. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Let's get it. Good job. All right, moving into set 2. Good job. 10-second rest. Woo. We're almost done, you guys. 10 more. 10 more and we're done. Good job, guys. I almost died right there. Good job, guys. Don't forget, the November calendar is available down below. Good workout today. I'll see you guys tomorrow and get a cool down stretch right here. See you there. Bye.